Welcome to Vetra Technologies, the logistics intelligence platform built to make your fleet smarter, faster, and more profitable. Let's jump straight into where the real value of Vetra starts, the enhanced load search. Select the truck you want to search with, and Vetra instantly filters out any irrelevant loads. In this example, let's go from Boston to Las Vegas and enter any additional criteria that are important for our search, such as time frame and deadhead radius. As the results load, we see that there are no direct routes, but the value of Vetra is that we combine loads to make a full trip that is suited for you, to get you where you need to go. In this example, we can go from Boston to Chicago and Chicago to the Vegas area. If we want to assign a load to our truck, we simply say, "Yes, assign to my truck." If not, we can save for later and view that in our loads management section. As you click on each load, broker details show up and you can call and negotiate rates and book loads this way. Now, let's do another search. For this one, we'll do New York to Chicago. We can see that the results coming up for this, we have 3 direct loads. So that's a great option, all 3 of those. You can go exactly from New York to Chicago area. But you can also see with optimized route chaining that you're even able to get higher revenue and higher rate per mile on these loads. You can also sort by different types of criteria if you want. This can include anything from broker credit score to rate per mile, total trip revenue, anything that is most important to you. We also see we can generate an AI overview of the route, explaining the itinerary, when you want to be driving, when you're delivering and picking up the load. You also see that it is HOS compliant. Another great feature is Safe Search. So you can save your searches, and anytime you're searching maybe on the same lane multiple times, you can save your search and research the exact thing to save time. And that'll show up in the top right-hand corner. We can also search in different tabs, which is great for doing multiple searches to compare and contrast at the same time. You can also search on different trucks. So if you're overseeing multiple trucks in your fleet, this is really great because you can do that much more simply. With Vetra, you get access to our reliable network of loads, along with the ability to integrate with load boards like DAT to get access to over 200 million loads a year, about 600,000 loads a day. For this next search, let's take it on down to Florida to get some sunshine. So for the results on this one, we see that there are no direct routes, but there are some really great options for the optimized route chains. So let's sort by total rate, and we can see this one getting us all the way down to Miami. Great, exactly the area we want to be in. We can also go out here and take a look at an overview of assigned loads and pending loads. So in green, the assigned loads are ones we've already assigned to trucks. They can show all the way across this map. And we also have the maybe loads, which are labeled as pending in yellow. So if we wanted, we can go back into those very easily and pick and book those as well. And if we go on over to our analytics tab, we can get an overview of KPIs for our company and see some top performing routes along with equipment utilization, a lot of great ways to look at the analytics. We can also go over to our truck center and post a truck to different load boards and team management to add different trucks, add dispatchers, and as you can see, there's a lot of equipment types to choose from there. We invite you to win more as Vetra transforms data into direction, giving you the visibility and insight to optimize every trip. The future of freight is smarter, faster, and built on data that works for you. This is Vetra Technologies, where every mile counts.